Weave tools are pre-built AI tools that encapsulate the power of Weave workflows, but packaged in an easy-to-use and convenient interface that can run directly from your Figma canvas. So here's what it looks like. In the editor, you'll see a new tools panel, and this is where you'll see all the new Weave tools alongside plugins and widgets, which you know and love. Moran, our designer advocate at Weave, built all the tools you see here, and they cover a wide range of use cases from everyday things like changing aspect ratios, generating on-brand icons, to one of my personal favorites, adding logos to products, which we use to generate swag ideas. There's also a few fun and creative ones sprinkled in. All right, let's see it in action. Here I have a logo, and now I want to put this on some swag. So I'm going to use one of my favorite tools, add logo to product, select this logo as a source, and let's put it on a water bottle, a hoodie, and let's try a notebook. While this runs, I want to show you what happens under the hood. Here we see Weave's node-based workflow UI and how this transfer style tool is actually composed of multiple steps chained together. It's exactly this fine-grained control over each step that enables to achieve such high-quality outputs that you can't get from just a one-shot prompt. The best part about this is that all the complexity around what nodes to use, how to chain them together, and all the sophisticated prompts are all abstracted away. So you can just focus on choosing the right tool for your use case while still benefiting from the consistent and high quality outputs. All right, let's jump back to Figma and see how these generations turned out. Here I have my water bottle, my hoodie, and my notebook. I really like how these turned out. If I zoom in on the hoodie, I can see the detail in the wrinkles going through the logo, and I think that's such a subtle effect that really makes a difference. So that's Weave tools in Figma. The power of Weave's node-based workflows, accessible straight from your Figma canvas in just a few clicks. Today, you'll have access to 30+ Weave tools, hand-created and curated by our team. In the months to come, we're going to open this up so that anyone can publish a Weave tool and share it for others in their org and community to use. We can't wait to see what you build.